Our name is on the side of the building, it's on every truck, it's on some of the parts that go out the doors. We want to translate that to everybody that works here, that it's your name that's going out there, because they do represent us too. Every employee that we have, they are a reflection on our business. You know, we're getting into the third generation now of this business, and you know, we're close to even having a fourth generation. It's pretty special, and it drives us every day. Machine shop has always been quality service, and that's really what we're known for. Now we've expanded into all these OEM manufacturers that we buy from and distribute. We really still are focused on the service to the customer, just going above and beyond what other people are willing to do. We were a small warehouse downtown for a long time, so we were really service-based, and once the flood hit in 2008, we were kind of forced out of that building. We were kind of bursting at the seams already. When we saw this one, and we really didn't know what we were getting into, because from the outside of this building, it looks like 12 individual suites. Well, in the backside, it's very open. We went from holding about $2 million worth of inventory to, at our peak about a year ago, about $8 million worth of inventory. We have probably the largest inventory in the state of Iowa of truck parts, especially in the eastern Iowa area, because we have our other 3 locations. The name of the game now is speed. So you have to have it, and you got to get to the customer fast. Whether it's a service, finding a part, delivering a part, we just want to go above and beyond for that customer to make sure that they remember Sadler Power Train helped them out when they were in a pinch. People knew us as the small company down by the river. If you see this building now and walk through this warehouse, it is impressive. And people do need to know everything that we have here for them.